Hello to all my dear kids. This is Swarnima Miss from Toddledom School welcomes you in the GK session. Today I am going to take GK subject for senior KG and the topic of today's class is aquatic animal. Children, tell me what do you mean by aquatic animal? Aqua means water. So the animals which live inside the water are called aquatic animal. Now, let's discuss different kinds of water animals. Aquatic animals are animals that lives in water for most or all of its lifetime. These animals breathe air and take oxygen in water through their organs called gills. Now children, let's see which is our first water animal. Here comes seal. Seals are mammals. This means that they are born live. They have fur and they drink milk when they are babies. Seals spend most of their lives in water. They come onto land to rest and give their birth to young ones and to escape from animals like shark and whale. Now comes shark. Shark are heavier than sea. If it stop moving, it will sink. Shark, unlike most fish, don't have bones. They have soft cartilage. They have around 3000 to 4000 teeth in their mouth. They have very good senses. That's why they are also called swimming nose. Now let's see which is our other water animal. Here comes starfish. Starfish is not a fish. They have no brain and no blood. They usually have 5 arms. They cannot survive in fresh water. They survive in salty water. They live in cold and warm climates all over the world. Now children, let's see which is our other water animal. Lobster. Lobster lives in fresh and brackish water. They have poor eyesight. With their smelling sensation, they can detect movement even at night. Lobster taste their food with their legs. They have 3 stomachs and teeth in their stomach. Now comes jellyfish. Jellyfish have no brain, no heart, no bones or eyes. They are made up of a smooth bag-like body and tentacles armed with small tiny stinging cells. They look a little like umbrella. A group of jellyfish is called bloom, swarm or smack. This water animal is very hard to see. Nearly it is invisible to the human eye. Isn't it interesting, children? Now let's check our other water animal. Dolphin. Dolphins are highly intelligent marine mammal that live in water but breathe through blowhole on the top of their head. They are very friendly and playful. They live for more than 100 years. Dolphins do not drink water like human. They get all the fresh water from the fish they eat. They can see above and below the water. To see the underwater, they produce an oily substance to protect their eyes. This is the special functions they have. Now comes goldfish. Goldfish are golden yellow or orange fish that live in fish tank or man-made pond as pets. They are freshwater fish, means they live in water that isn't salty. The reason their eyes look bulgy is because they don't have eyelid and can't blink. They are omnivorous, means they eat both plant and animal. And they are music expert also. Now comes tortoise. Tortoise is a turtle, but a turtle isn't a tortoise, as tortoise spend most of their time on land, whereas turtle are adapted for life spent in water. Their shield helps them as a self-defense. Some turtle can even tuck their head up inside their shell for extra protection. Turtles, they breathe air and lay their eggs on land, although many species live in or around water. Now, next comes crab. Crab are invertebrates. It means they have no backbones. They are covered by hard shell that protects their internal organ. Their gills, which they use to pull oxygen from the water, are hidden inside their shells. Crabs have 10 legs. Some crabs have 2 paddle-shaped legs that help them in swimming. These are the interesting characters of crab. Now comes seahorse. Seahorse are a type of fish that get their name from their horse-like head, and they have long snake-like tail. These creatures lives in the shallow water. They swim upright with the help of their back fins. They can change their color in a minute from black or grey to bright yellow or orange. They feed by sucking small prey into their tube-like mouth. Now here comes octopus. Now children, from the name itself, you have come to know that they have 8 arms. That's why they are called octopus. They have 3 hearts, 9 brains and blue blood. They are very intelligent invertebrates. Their bulging eyes, which they can look in different directions. Their skin changes color and pattern to blend in with their surroundings. Rather than swimming, octopus walk along the sea floor. Now comes crocodile. Crocodile are reptiles that live in freshwater, lakes, rivers. They are carnivorous, means they eat meat. They have 24 sharp teeth, which are used for killing fish, birds, mammals, and even small crocodile as their food. They don't chew their food. They tear apart flesh and swallow large chunks of meat. They have excellent eyesight. Now comes the largest animal to have ever lived on earth. You know children, they are longer than 3 buses and heavier than 3 lorries. Their tongue weighs as much as an elephant. Its heart is the size of the car. It's a blue whale, yes, and blue whale sleeps while swimming. They use only half of their brain while sleeping. So children, these were some interesting facts about aquatic animal. Now, let me ask you few questions related to the topic. My first question is, tell me, which is the largest water animal? Blue whale is the largest water animal. Second question, tell me, which water animal has horse-like head? Correct. Seahorse has horse-like head. Now tell me, which water animal is very intelligent and friendly to us? Yes, it is dolphin. Dolphin is very intelligent and friendly to us. Now children, tell me, which water animal has 8 arms and bulging eyes? Correct, it is octopus. An octopus has 8 arms and bulging eyes. This was a quick revision of our topic aquatic animal. Now children, here I end this session of GK period and will meet you soon in the next session. Till then, take care of your health and have a good day.